Greetings, it's Maxo Diddly, and today I am going to be showing you how you can do a range check on the length of a string in C. So let's get right into it. Firstly, make sure you import these three libraries at the top of your code. We'll be needing them for this tutorial. Now, here is our range check function. So we're going to do bool, which means we return a true or a false. True for within the range, false for not in the range. And then we're going to call it isLengthInRange, a pretty descriptive name describing what the function is going to be checking. Then we do const_char pointer string. This is basically how we can do strings in C pretty easily, and it's going to be the input we want to validate. Int will be the minimum size the input can be to be considered valid, and max length will be the maximum size the length of the input can be to be considered valid. Then we can do int len equals strlen str. So this is going to get the length of our string, how many characters it contains. That's what the strlen function does. And then we can do return len greater than or equal to min length and len less than or equal to max length. Firstly, we're going to be checking if the length of the string is greater than or equal to the minimum length. And then this is going to have a true or a false result. Then we're going to check if the length of the string is less than or equal to the maximum length. And then this is going to have a result. If both of these are true, that means it's valid because it's within the range. If at least one of these isn't true, it's overall going to become a false because it's not in the range of an acceptable length. This is going to be our main method. So we do const_char pointer input equals 4. This variable will represent user input. This tutorial is not teaching you how to get user input, only how to validate it. Then we do bool is valid equals false. This is going to be the boolean to store our result of the validation. Then we do is valid equals isLengthInRange input, and then the minimum value and the maximum value. And then we can do printf input is %s. Then we do a ternary operator to replace the %s with either valid or invalid. There's an eye up in the corner talking about how you can print booleans in C. I recommend you watch that if you don't fully understand what's going on with this printf line. With all of that, we save our work and hit play. And the string of 4 is considered valid because it's 4 characters long. But what if we did 412? Well, now it's invalid because it's too long. But if we change this to, let's say, be a 7, it's now considered valid again. So thanks for being a great audience, be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more C tutorials. Thanks for watching.